guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julia. What's up? What's good? Great. Let's start this.
White on my info wall, sleeping garments that he won't show. I'm a stain now. Big body, no I kitschy, that's a buzz down.
I don't know if you can tell, I'm really excited for this video. As you can tell by this title, I am installing a wig. If you see me spinning, it's just because I'm on my spinning chair and I'm just having so much fun. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing a wig from Mslynnhair. Period. I'm going to be installing their 22-inch loose wave 4x4 closure. Very excited. So let me show you the hair. So this is the hair. When I first got this hair, guys, I did not even want to touch it. I was like, nah, I got to show YouTube what this looks like before I like mess up the curls. But it's so pretty. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys what the closure looks like. So it's like already like low-key pre-plucked, but if you know me, I like it to be extra plucked. So I'm definitely gonna go in, bleach the knots, pluck it a little bit more and style it. I'm just so excited to do this. I feel like this hair is gonna look so bomb. It's gonna be so cute. Like, we're gonna finesse this. It's gonna look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot to my hair because it's crusty, musty, and dusty right now. So I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment. I'm gonna deep condition, protein treatment. Like, it's gonna get a nice wash. I'm gonna braid it down, and then I'm gonna come back with the wig already like bleached, pre-plucked, everything. And I'm gonna start this installation so you guys can see what I do, get an idea, learn a little thing or two. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to shut my mouth up and begin this video. Okay, so this is my attempt at a ball cap, I guess, for a closure wig. So let's get into this. Like, hopefully my big head fits. Oh shoot, I forgot. Ah shoot. I'm using my lace tint. Let me tell y'all, if you're my complexion and you're looking for lace tint, I would definitely recommend I think it's Even lace tint, and this is the darkest brown. Let me tell y'all, this stuff, shoot, like, and it matches me perfectly. Period poo. Can y'all yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm like low-key a crackhead. Let me just shut up and let me just do what I do. Okay, enjoy. baby. Okay, so I ended up changing the part. I don't know, like I'm a middle part girl, but something today was just telling me, nope, do a side part, and this came out mad cute.
Nope.
Okay, so I lied to myself because I went upstairs and I looked at what I looked like in the mirror, and I was like, why do I think I look cute? Side part wasn't it. So I went back to the middle part, and yo, do you see this? Like, I knew I was not excited to install this. Like, this hair is it. So let's get into the review. So like I said, this is a 4x4 closure, but it's definitely giving frontal vibes, scalp vibes, period. The lace was super thin. It was really easy to like lay and blend. Like, I didn't really have any trouble with this, especially with the lace tint, like, because I know y'all not seen any lace. I know it. But yeah, it was definitely easy to blend. I didn't have any trouble with it. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. When I first got the hair, I was like, yes, this is it. It's matte soft. It was beautiful. But then I washed it and it felt funny. Like, it felt like it was gonna be super dry, and I was like really scared at first. But then after I put conditioner and everything in it and let it like air dry and stuff, like, it felt beautiful. Like, it felt even better than when I first opened it in the box. Like, this hair is mad soft and the curl pattern is beautiful. Like, I'm gonna just stand up a little bit. Ugh. I'm not really standing up, but you get the gist. Like, and the hair isn't thin. Like, nope, it's not too thin, it's not too thick. It is literally perfect. Like, I got no complaints whatsoever. And like I said, y'all know I tell the truth. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all that a wig is good if it's not. Like, wigs cost money. That's bread. No, not gonna have y'all spend money on a wig that's bad. Like, not that kind of person. This is bomb. Like, it's bomb. And surprisingly, when I was like, I put it, you guys saw where I like laid the closure, like where I placed the closure, and I was surprisingly able to get a good side part. So if you are someone who likes side parts, I would definitely recommend this, because I did have enough space to like really go back, so I liked that. Another thing that I noticed when I was laying down the wig, usually closures like have that little piece at the very top that you have to cut off. Like, it's really thick. Like, if you wear closures, you know what I'm talking about. It's that thick piece, and if you keep it, you're not getting scalp vibes. Like, it's not happening. But this closure didn't, and that definitely made the install even easier, because I didn't have to worry about having to cut it off. Like, I just laid the wig down and it did what it had to do, and that was on period. So I definitely would recommend this wig. 10 out of 10. That's on period. I went to work today and I got mad compliments about this wig. Like, so much compliments. So I will definitely be leaving the link to this hair in the description box, and I'll give you guys a code to get some money off or whatever. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recording and doing a review. Like, I really did love this hair. I have no complaints. I would definitely recommend it, and it's so easy to install. Like, even if you don't like to glue down your closures, like, you could do it glueless. Like, and the lace is mad nice. Like, I really can't complain. So like I said, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment videos you want to see me do in the comment box below. Make sure you hit that description box and check out the hair for yourself, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, because I don't understand why you're not subscribed. Like, you should really be subscribed. Like, I would subscribe to my channel, so you should subscribe to my channel. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.